So what egress filtering allows you to do is essentially set on the GitHub Actions runner a collection of rules that say you can only talk out to these known IP addresses, these known host ranges, these known CIDR ranges, things like that. And so the reason we added this is, one, this does not exist inside of GitHub Actions today. And two, CI is one of your most vulnerable pieces in your stack, in that if you can phone out to anything from your CI, you can essentially have your data exfiltrated out of your CI runner. And so egress filtering allows us to essentially define a fixed set of rules that says you can only talk out to these known things. And then if you try to talk out to something that is not in that list, essentially the runner crashes and your job fails. And it's super simple to set up inside of Depot. So here inside of your organization settings, we have a section down here for GitHub Action runners. You can actually connect Depot to multiple GitHub organizations now, which is what this is over here on the right. But down here, we see the egress rules section. So by default, GitHub Action runners on Depot allow all traffic to go out to the internet. So by default, we don't block any traffic. And I only want you to be able to talk to docker.io. And by setting it like this, effectively what we're saying is when a job runs on this GitHub Actions runner, you can only talk to these outbound addresses. So the final thing that we do here is we flip this flag, which is the wildcard flag, which is saying any outbound connection, we default to denying it. And we want to only allow connections to depot.dev and only allow connections to docker.io. And then we can save our runner settings. And now any GitHub Actions runner that launches inside of this organization will have these egress rules applied.